on? It's your girl, Young Ello, coming straight from East Atlanta. You feel me? If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button below. Don't pay attention to my background. I know it's been a minute. I know I've been fumbling and playing around with this channel and trying to figure out what type of videos I should be doing. It's been a minute since I made a post or whatever, but I was like, shoot, I think your girl done found a new wig plug, so your girl is probably finna be posting some different type of content that's probably involving hair, makeup, beauty, how to, whatever the case is, whoop, whoop. And I hope this is what you guys are liking this year. New goals, new everything. Y'all can expect this channel to be revamped, revive all 2022, period. You feel me? So click that subscribe button below. I probably missed something, but anyway, click that subscribe button below, click the like button, and let's get into this motherfucking video, period. Okay. All right, so as you can tell, I got this wig on right now. So this is going to be a 2022 activation slay boo. I'm finna show y'all how to lay this not 2020. So I'm finna show y'all how to lay this HD frontal lace that I just got. It's from Outre. Hold on one second. This is where it is from. Well, not from, but it's Outre. I don't know how to say it if I'm saying it right, but Outre perfect hairline lace front. This is what it came in, or whatever the case is, and it is a 13x6 lace wig. Transparent lace. You can wear it in the side part, middle part, and you can braid it up, do it however you want to do it. This is what it looked like. Boo, get into it. I was like, bitch, done found her a motherfucking new wig plug. Oh, cause I'm not gonna be paying no $500 for no motherfucking lace front. Like, tell me if you feel me. If you feel me, let me know, cause I know how I'm feeling, and that shit was only $69. Okay. That's just the tip of it for today. But yeah, so today's video is going to be me showing you guys how to melt and lay this frontal that I got. Whatever the case is, I like it. It's super long. This is how long it is, or whatever. And it got curls. I seen this other one that I wanted, but they have what color I wanted, so I gotta go back. But this is the color. I like it, and it's not like, it doesn't have any tangles in it. It's super smooth. It's super soft. It's got volume. It's bouncy, and it's long, and it's layered. And they already pre-plucked it. It already came pre-plucked. I already cut the lace, you guys. Yes, I already wore it for New Year's yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to really apply how I wanted to because I was being rushed. Because of my mama and them and whatever. And we went to the fun center yesterday to celebrate. But this is what it looks like. I love it. When I seen it, I was like, I gotta have it. It's just so flowy, and it got the curls that I was looking for, or whatever the case is. And you can just style it up, do it however way you want it. And like I said, it's the 13x6 lace. I already adjusted it, so you can, most people cut their hairlines a certain type of way. I already cut mines or whatever and stuff. So the only thing I have to do now is just lay it. So you want to make sure that it looks natural. That's what everybody's saying, y'all. I'm not the best when it come down to laying these wigs, but if your girls start getting good, this is what I'll be doing. Because your girl like her hair done. Now, I don't like my head hurting. My head is super sensitive. I don't know if y'all like that, but I know for me, if I get my hair done or anything is in my head just be hurting all day. Like, I already got a headache just from this little part right here. And it's super fitted, and it comes with a band on the inside. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. Ooh, my cap coming off. I already got my cap. You want to make sure you get you a cap that matches your skin complexion or whatever for when you put the wig on, because you don't want to be walking around here with a scalp that don't even look like your skin complexion, child. Okay. Most people cut their caps. I'm not cutting mine. I'm trying something different. I actually ended up taking off the cap, you guys. So throughout this video, just be mindful that, you know, you don't see the cap anymore, because I felt like it was just super unnecessary. It did not match my skin complexion, and I didn't want it showing directly through the wig. So I did take it off. So majority of this video, just ignore that part, and then you'll realize at the end of the video. But anyway, continue watching. Sorry, y'all, I'm out of breath. I don't know about y'all, but I know for me, 2021 has been a hell of a year. Your girl had COVID. All right, y'all. Like, I've been sick, and the after effects of it right now, anybody who had it, y'all know, like, you can't breathe or whatever the case is. It's just like you're constantly out of freaking breath for no reason. Like, you just out of breath. So yeah, I got me a pump that I need to take, which I'm about to do, even though I already did. But this is what I've been using. It's a Buterol or whatever the case is. I feel like I'm about to die. Y'all pray for me. Yeah, so you want to kind of make sure your hair is laid down, braided or whatever up under a cap. Get you a nice fitted cap. And you want to put the foundation on it and stuff. So first, what I'm going to do is, girl look good, bald head.
Bald head, whole shit. 8 inch, bald head, whole shit. Bald head, whole shit. 2022, y'all. 2022. Bald head, whole shit, period.
Well, nah, long head, whole shit. Well, nah, y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. But, all right. So, I'm going to get this, I'm going to be using this Ghost Bond glue. I know a lot of people been saying not to use this anymore. You can use gel glue or whatever the case is. It's clear. You can use wig tape. I had some, don't know where it is, whatever the case is. So I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond with extra moisture control. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it. I cannot breathe, y'all. All right, I don't know why it ain't focusing, but I'm recording on my phone, so whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply enough on my face, not my hair, because I don't want my edges being pulled out. Even though I got, like, my hairline is weird because it just come all the way out here. I probably need to get like a shape up while wearing wigs. I'm trying my best to make sure that all right. So what I'm gonna do first before I apply the glue is I'm gonna put this wig back on so I can know exactly where I want my glue to sit, because I don't want to just have it in the wrong area and I put the wig on wrong. Oh, and this is what the wig looks on the inside, or whatever the case is. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it has a band, which I like. So it means it's going to be secure on your head. So it ain't no coming off, boo. None of that. Period. And then it has 4 combs in here. So I got some at the top, and then it got some at the back, or whatever the case. Maybe. All right. I'm going to slap this hole on real quick. So I'm going to apply enough right here and make sure I go around or whatever. So I'm going to pull this back since they don't want to roll back for me.
Got the spot in Baldwin Hills for the summer. Cause I got 20s, I got 50s, I got 100s. And I'ma cut that check, she know it's coming. It go ring, that money machine. It go ring, yeah, that money machine. I play my role, I ain't here to play no games. Yeah, girl, I know me, these niggas ain't the same. She get her wrong.
I didn't really get all but it's okay. Now, if you catch your lace coming up, you can use Got To Be spray. Spray some, tie it up, and that should help. I'm no longer using ball caps because, and especially if you don't have the correct cap for your skin complexion, it's going to show through the wig and it's not going to give that natural look, and that's what the issue is, but this is what the lace looks like after you melt it and put it on or whatever. I didn't do too much or go too crazy with the baby hairs. I ain't that much of an expertise. I just want to install this for you guys, see what it looks like, see how well I do. And this is the final results. I took the motherfucking cap off. So in the beginning of this video, if you see the cap on, just exclude that because it's going to be gone by the end of the video. And this is what the wig is supposed to look like. By the time you put it on, you see it looks natural. It looks like it's coming directly out the scalp. And period. And this is how long it is. Y'all wouldn't even believe it probably took me like 2 hours to record this motherfucking video because I kept fucking up, but it's all good. I got it down. There's no hump in the middle. It's super soft, curly. I love it. And not too much. I didn't want it to be doing too much. And yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If y'all want to see some more videos like these, let me know. Your girl got her new motherfucking wig plug. I'm super excited. 2022 Activation Slay 3D 13x6 Frontal Lace, baby. This is what it looked like. HD 3D. Look like it's coming out the motherfucking scalp. You can't tell me. And it's long. And it's long. Who you know? Who you know? Period. Motherfucking period, bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Boss bitch is giving. Yeah. Style it however way you want to, you guys. Affordable wigs, you can go to your local beauty supply store. Make sure it's a HD frontal lace. The lace ain't too harsh. It ain't too hard and stuff and crunchy and white or whatever, because you want to give it that seamless look. You want it to look like it's your hair coming out your scalp, baby, or whatever. This ain't no arrogant tape, but it was close to the slay. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Period. My lace started to come up just a little bit, but it's all good though. Because I like the fuck out that bitch. And you can't see it. You can't see it. You don't see nothing, baby. You don't see nothing. Wet. Yeah. Yeah. And you ain't even got to always apply glue to it. You can just slap that bitch on. You call it a motherfucking day. You feel me? Make sure that cap ain't showing up under there, though. But this is the hair. This is the hair. This is how long it is. Motherfucking purr. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe. Lit Squad. Peace.
I play my role, I ain't here to play no games. Yeah, girl, I know me, these niggas ain't the same. She get her own.